We bet you've been there. Your devices always die at the worst possible time. Having a power bank helps, but what if it's dead? Or not strong enough to charge your gadgets or laptop? We bought and tested countless power banks and found that all the features we wanted weren't available in one single product. So we made it our mission to make the power bank that covers all your charging needs. Introducing Bold by UZE, the power bank that fast charges all your devices, 6 to be exact, and all at the same time. Bold is the world's most powerful portable battery pack with 260 watts total output. Ultra-fast charging Panasonic LiPo graphene batteries get your Bold charged to 70% in less than an hour, making sure you always have juice on the go. Bold is a power socket in your pocket with the maximum allowed airline-safe battery capacity of 100 watt-hours or 27,000 milliamp hours. That's enough to charge your iPhone 12 Pro 6 times, your Switch multiple times, or nearly 2 full charges for the new M1 MacBook Pro. The latest gen PPS technology makes Bold compatible with all major gadget brands like Apple and Samsung. Our laptop adapters range from HP to Surface Pro, allowing you to pack light. Say hello to next-level power management using Bold's innovative LCD screen, showing you the output for each device. Bold's aircraft-grade anodized aluminum body has excellent heat dissipation properties that help regulate battery temperature. Bold is built to last with scratch and impact-resistant tempered glass. Make charging smarter and use Bold as a hub. Pass-through charging enables you to charge 5 devices while charging Bold. UZE is a team of geeky and obsessed designers and engineers who use the power of AI for product design. We want to revolutionize how you charge your devices. We created for you the end-to-end high-performance charging ecosystem with a 100-watt ultra-fast GAN charger and fast charging cables. Bold by UZE. Huge capacity, versatile charging options, and unprecedented power makes Bold the only power bank you will ever need. Join the UZE movement. Back this project and help us make Bold a reality. This is a huge leap for portable power. It's Bold by UZE.